Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of air frying with the air fryer basket set for the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This three-piece set of stainless steel mesh baskets offers ample cooking space, allowing you to prepare a variety of foods with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these baskets are not only durable and rust-resistant but also non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. Designed for compatibility with most air fryers, including the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, these baskets can be effortlessly removed and are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Their mesh design ensures even heat distribution and promotes air circulation, so your meals cook evenly and thoroughly without sticking. The stainless steel material is resistant to stains and odors, ensuring your baskets remain clean and fresh after each use. Elevate your air frying experience with these essential accessories and enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.